how to factory reset a Samsung phone without the passcode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on a Samsung phone that is currently locked. So if you forgot your passcode, you could still factory reset it, and then you'll be able to open it up and start using it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So on newer Samsung phones, in order to actually factory reset our phone without the passcode, we're going to need to first plug a USB cable into our Samsung phone and then plug the other end of the cable into either a Windows computer or even a Mac. So it must be plugged into a computer in order to be able to get into the recovery mode that allows us to factory reset it. So once you have it plugged in from the lock screen here, what we're going to do is hold down the volume down button and the power button until the screen turns off. As soon as it turns off, switch to the volume up button and the power button. So I'm going to do that real quick. Holding that down, the volume down button and the power button until the screen turns off. Once it turns off, switch to volume up and power button. Keep holding that until we get into recovery mode. Just keep holding it. All right, you're going to see Android recovery right there, as you can see. And then now all we need to do, leave the USB cable plugged into your phone, use the volume buttons to scroll down, so volume down, and then select with the power button. Then once in here, all we need to do is use the volume down button again, and then select it with the power button, and it will very quickly factory reset your phone. So make sure you want to do this. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to, but once you select factory data reset, it will factory reset your phone, and you'll have to set it up just like it was new. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.